Most unpleasant smells come from gases released during organic decay and chemical reactions in wastewater or waste areas. Step 1. Identify odor hotspots such as tanks, drains, vents, and sludge zones where gases escape easily. To control odors, we cover or enclose sources using hoods and domes that capture the air before it spreads. Powerful fans and sealed ducts carry this odorous air safely toward the treatment system. Screens and equalization tanks remove solids and smooth the air and liquid flow before it reaches the main treatment unit. Now, let's explore how the odor treatment systems clean the captured air step by step. The main odor treatment methods are wet scrubbers, activated carbon filters, biofilters, and advanced oxidation systems. Wet scrubbers spray chemical or water solutions inside tall towers to absorb and neutralize odor gases. Activated carbon filters trap odor molecules on their large, porous surfaces, an effective polishing stage. Biofilters use layers of moist media filled with friendly microbes that naturally break down odor compounds. Advanced oxidation systems use ozone, UV, or chemical reactions to destroy strong odor molecules completely. After treatment, clean and odor-free air is released safely into the atmosphere through monitored outlets. Sensors continuously measure hydrogen sulfide, airflow, and pH, sending data to the control panel for automatic adjustment. Automated dosing pumps add neutralizing chemicals to scrubbers to maintain proper reaction and odor removal. Maintaining negative pressure keeps odorous air moving into treatment units instead of leaking into the environment. Regular maintenance, like replacing carbon, cleaning filters, and checking fans, ensures top performance every day. Operators use proper protective equipment and follow chemical safety procedures to ensure a safe working environment. Identify the source, capture the air, treat it, monitor performance, and maintain systems. That's how odor control works.